1. 2026 Yamaha X-MAX 300. The 2026 Yamaha X-MAX 300 continues its reputation as a premium mid-size scooter, powered by a 292cc blue-core, single-cylinder engine, producing around 28 horsepower, with excellent fuel efficiency. It features Yamaha's iconic sharp, sporty design, full LED lighting, traction control, and a modern 4.3-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity. The scooter offers spacious storage for 2 helmets, keyless ignition, and comfortable touring ergonomics. With its blend of practicality and performance, the new X-MAX remains a top choice for commuters. Expected 2026 price, $6,200. 2. 2026 Suzuki BURGMAN 400. The Suzuki BURGMAN 400 is a luxury maxi scooter offering a 400cc single-cylinder engine, delivering 31 horsepower, smooth acceleration, and strong mid-range torque. It includes advanced features such as dual-channel ABS, Suzuki Easy Start system, traction control, and a spacious under-seat storage compartment large enough for 2 helmets. Its redesigned seat and improved riding ergonomics make it ideal for long-distance comfort. The BURGMAN's reputation for refinement and reliability continues into 2026. Expected MSRP, $8,799. 3. 2026 Honda Forza 750. The Forza 750 sits at the top of Honda's scooter lineup, powered by a 745cc parallel twin engine, producing 58 horsepower, paired with Honda's DCT, dual-clutch transmission, for motorcycle-like performance. It gets premium features such as a 5-inch TFT screen, riding modes, throttle-by-wire, traction control, and full LED lighting. Built on a lightweight frame with powerful dual-front disc brakes, the Forza 750 offers both strong acceleration and high-speed touring comfort. Expected 2026 price, $12,000. 4. 2026 BMW CE 04 Electric. BMW's futuristic CE 04 returns for 2026 with its distinctive low-profile body and high-tech electric platform. It uses a 31 to 42 horsepower electric motor, depending on trim, with a top speed of 120 kilometers per hour and a real-world range of 130 kilometers. Fast charging capability. A massive 10.25-inch TFT display, keyless ride, ABS, traction control, reverse gear, and smartphone navigation integration make it one of the most advanced scooters on the planet. This EV maxi scooter is aimed at tech lovers and urban commuters seeking premium electric mobility. Price, $12,500. 5. 2026 Yamaha T-MAX 560. The Yamaha T-MAX 560 remains the king of sport maxi scooters with its 562cc twin-cylinder engine, producing 47 horsepower and smooth CVT transmission. It includes premium features like a 7-inch TFT display with Garmin navigation, keyless ignition, cruise control, traction control, heated grips and seat, and advanced suspension for motorcycle-like handling. The T-MAX remains unrivaled in acceleration and cornering among scooters. Expected 2026 MSRP, €13,000. 6. 2026 Piaggio Beverly 400. The Piaggio Beverly 400 is a stylish urban commuter powered by a 399cc single-cylinder engine, developing 35 horsepower, offering quick acceleration and excellent fuel economy. It features traction control, ABS, keyless start, LED lighting, and a comfortable saddle for 2 passengers. Its lightweight chassis and 16-inch wheels provide stability at high speed while remaining agile in city traffic. The Beverly remains one of Europe's best-selling premium 400cc scooters. Expected price, $7,200. 7. 2026 Lambretta X-300. The Lambretta X-300 blends retro charm with modern engineering, using a 275 to 300cc single-cylinder engine producing 25 to 26 horsepower. Its steel, semi-monocoque body, interchangeable side panels, and signature classic Lambretta design make it one of the most stylish scooters in its class. Features include full LED lighting, smart key, ABS, a TFT display, and comfortable ergonomics for daily riding, ideal for riders wanting classic looks with modern reliability. Expected price, $6,200. 8. 2026 Italjet Roadster 400. The Italjet Roadster 400 continues Italjet's futuristic, aggressive design language with a 400cc liquid-cooled engine producing around 30 horsepower. The scooter gets a tubular steel frame, large wheels for stability, advanced front suspension, ABS, and a premium digital dashboard. It stands out with its naked bike-inspired styling, sporty seat design, and high-performance braking system. The Roadster 400 is built for riders who want sportiness and uniqueness. Price expected, $7,800. 9. 2026 Zontes ZT552T. The Zontes ZT552T is a feature-loaded maxi scooter powered by a 549cc twin-cylinder engine, producing 56 horsepower, making it one of the strongest in its class. It includes high-tech features like keyless ignition, electric windscreen adjustment, tire pressure monitoring, traction control, multiple riding modes, and a large color TFT display with navigation. Dual front discs with radial calipers and an aluminum swing arm make this scooter surprisingly premium for its price. Expected price, $7,300. 10. 2026 Kymco Downtown GT. The 2026 Kymco Downtown GT offers strong performance from its 350 to 400cc single-cylinder engine, producing around 33 horsepower, known for reliability and smooth power delivery. The scooter includes full LED lighting, ABS, traction control, a TFT instrument panel, fast-charging USB, and improved underseat storage. The GT's aerodynamic design, upright seating position, and lightweight chassis make it ideal for city commuting and occasional highway touring. Estimated price, $6,500.